The Biology of Belief by Bruce Lipton. Super scientific book. I had to take some notes and I will run through it quickly to get you the best information. So the idea that genes control our life and our health is old scientific proof, but we already, from the latest scientific proofs and studies that they have done, we know that we actually ourselves have a profound influence in our genes. And we know now, based on the newest researches, that the brain of the cell is not the nucleus like we always thought in the DNA, but the brain of the cell is the membrane around it. It has two proteins, receptor proteins and effector proteins. The receptor proteins basically decide which information is going in and which not, and the effector proteins switching the genes inside of the nucleus on or off. So the environment around us determines whether genes, unhealthy genes, healthy genes are being switched on and off, and not the DNA or genes itself. We are not a victim to that, but we are actually, according to our environment, can determine that, That's amazing factor. Our identity is basically shaped by our environment, so you gotta make sure you are in a healthy, good, positive environment for you guys. Another very good factor is that we see that in the placebo effect. When we believe something and people take sugar pills, it works. So that proves that it actually works. And there was a study done where they had a knee surgery and people had a fake knee surgery. It was just a cut and they thought they had the actual real surgery. And they had the same positive results than the people who had the surgery. Very important to know is also that we are constantly in a fight or flight mode, which is the stress mode, or in a healthy state where we can grow. And we cannot grow in a state of stress and fight and flight because our immune system is shut down by certain hormones, our digestive system is not working well because it's shut down, and we cannot grow. And only in a healthy state can we actually grow and develop ourselves. So we want to make sure we bring ourselves in a very healthy state, starting by giving ourselves positive affirmations, speaking good to others and to ourselves. And when we do have stress and stress factors, we can cope it with meditations. Very important also for parents to know. Positive talks to the children, and already the environment inside of the mother's womb is influencing the baby. So we want to make sure it has a healthy environment. Summary: the signals from our environment impacts our cells. We know how the body copes with stress, with a fight or flight mode, which is not healthy. So we want to overcome that, for example, with meditation or whatever serves you. And we can reprogram ourselves with positive affirmations, visualizations, and being aware that we are not victims, but we are the creators, guys. That is awesome.